One of the biggest questions that we get is, I don't even know how to buy a house. I don't even know. So today I'm going to walk you through our mortgage pre-approval process because knowledge is power. Knowing the steps are going to make you feel more comfortable, and everything is so much easier than you think. Now look, am I going to say, fill out an application and be approved in 2 minutes? No, that would be irresponsible and it's garbage. Any lender who's pitching you a fast, instant pre-approval, it's garbage. So today we're going to talk about my team's pre-approval process, why it is the way you want to go if you're a first-time home buyer, even if you're not. Like, I designed this method because I am an anxious buyer. Doesn't matter how long I've done this or how many times I've done it, I'm anxious. So our whole method is designed to make the process as low stress as possible. So before we start, if you're new to the channel, I've been a mortgage lender for 19 years. My team is one of the top purchase teams in America. We are helping more than one person every single day buy a house. I think we're almost to 2 people a day in America buying a house. I love it. I'm so excited about it, and we want to be your lender too. So feel free to reach out. Okay, number 1, the discovery period. Look, sometimes people talk themselves out of buying a house because they think they're not going to qualify, so they just never try. Step 1, call the team, 786-933-2077. You can literally say, hey, I'm thinking about buying a house, but I just don't know where to start. They will walk you through every single question in order to figure out where you're at, what you need to do, and if you're ready now. And if you're not ready now, what you need to do to get ready. You don't have to worry about like, oh, well, should I have ChatGPT, have 50, please no. Please no, please no. And I say please no because most of the questions that get put together by AI are terrible. It's like, so much of figuring out if you're ready to buy a house is listening to you. It's the pauses. It's listening to you think about it as you talk to us, okay? So number 1, give the team a call. Let's say you're like, okay, I'm ready. I want to get pre-approved. What's next? Fill out the application. You can do it online or you can do it over the phone with the team. They'll literally sit there and ask you every single question on the application. Right now, my preference is over the phone. And the reason is, back in the day where I was a loan officer doing every single loan by myself, right? I didn't have this big team. That's how I would do my applications. And the reason is that when you're asking those questions, you get more context and it makes the whole process better, because if you say something like, oh, I make $5,000 a month, I can go, well, wait, is that salary? No, it's hourly. Okay, but do you sometimes work less hours or more hours? Well, sometimes I work more, but sometimes I work less. As a lender, I go, ding, 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 ding. I need a year-to-date pay stub that breaks down overtime. I'm gonna have to do an average of how many hours a week you work. Like, there's additional documents I'm gonna ask for so that I'm getting what I need up front so I can give you the best pre-approval and the lowest stress process possible. So yes, you can do the application online. If you want to do it at midnight in your pajamas, we got that. If you want to talk to someone on the phone, I've got that too. Everybody on my team is super, super nice. Okay, we've got the application. Now what happens? Now it's going to go to one of the loan officers on my team. Go check out our Google reviews. What you'll see in the Google reviews is you'll see people shouting out, Linda, Sam, Jen Anderson, Amber, Christina, all of them are getting shouted out. Why? Guys, they're awesome. They're so nice. They really care. Like, this is not a clock in, clock out job. Like, we are here to make the American dream possible for everyone, and we love to educate people. Not against your will, but we're here to answer questions and make the process easy because all of us have been that home buyer. And you know, I have to tell you that as a home buyer, one of the things that always stuck with me is, why aren't they giving us more information? So we really work to try to make the process as easy as possible. Okay, so one of the gals is going to reach out. They're going to go over the application with you. Sometimes, like Sam, for example, will send you an email, and then if she can't get a hold of you, she'll send you a link to her calendar. Some people like picking a time on a calendar. Some people would rather call. Some people would rather say, hey, can you call me at this time? They're super flexible. So it's not one of those weird things where it's like, you have to book it on the calendar or you'll die. No, guys, you can literally just say, hey, let me give you a call, or let's talk at this time, and they'll make it work. So they go through the application with you again, and you may be like, well, wait a second. Someone already did it on the phone, or I already filled it online. Why are they doing it again? Because they're structuring your loan for underwriting, and they want to verify all the information. If, for example, you did the online application, sometimes it comes over wonky, guys. Sometimes it could be that you typed something wrong, you misunderstood the question, or it can just be the tech. I'm being really honest about this. Like, I filled out the rate app a couple of years ago and I misread the question and it came over terrible. So yeah, they're going through to make sure everything's accurate. Also, like, look, we can't start working on your loan without talking to you. We need to make sure that you exist. It's that simple. So they talk to you. Also, they want to know your dreams, your goals, what you're expecting for payment, what your timeline is, because think about it like they're making a cookie, right? And we can't make a cookie if we don't know. Do you like chocolate chips? Are you looking for a peanut butter cookie? Are you looking for a confetti cookie? What type of cookie are you looking for? So they're the chefs. Yep, I'm trying with this one. They're the chefs in the loan kitchen that are going to structure a loan based on your likes, your desires, and your dreams. That's why they're calling you, not to be annoying, okay? So once they've had that conversation, they start structuring the file. We actually fully underwrite every pre-approval. The reason we do that is simple. It makes you stronger. It makes you stronger and it removes risk. Look, I told you I'm not anxious home buyer. I don't like risk to begin with in anything. So I don't want you shopping with a letter that has my name or Linda's name or Amber's name that is not a bulletproof letter. So we fully underwrite our pre-approvals. Does that cost more? No, it doesn't. It's just a dedication to customer service that my team and my company has. So take advantage of it. There's a lot of lenders that are like, oh, you don't need to. Your file's so clean. Your file's so clean, it will take me like literally with an underwriter an hour. Like, why wouldn't I? It makes you stronger, removes risk. Also, when you're writing an offer, if there's another offer, but your letter's fully underwritten, guess what? You're stronger, right? Those automatic letters, they're trash. Real estate agents know that. A good real estate agent is going to see, I don't want to name names, but they're going to see certain names and they're going to be like, this is a trash letter. Why would I take this if I can take a fully underwritten pre-approval, which is the gold standard? So the gals have structured your loan. It goes to one of our processors. Usually you're going to have Maria, Chadwick, or Mallory. Sometimes you'll qualify for a program called Fast Track, and we have different underwriters for that, but they're amazing as well. The processors are going to call out documents. So what that means is if we're doing a full underwrite, we're going to want bank statements and pay stubs and W-2s, all that basic information that we need to give to the underwriter. Then your file goes to underwriting. The underwriter reviews it. If they have questions, they'll suspend it and they'll say, hey, I'm not giving an approval until you answer these questions. Good. Look, I want an underwriter to suspend your file before you go shopping, not when you found the dream house. That's where all those Reddit horror stories come from. They come from not having a loan officer properly pre-approve them, and then it gets to underwriting, and the underwriter's like, hey, what about all this? Now look, 9 out of 10 times, if I see a file get suspended, we can fix the items. It's stuff like, I need a letter of explanation for this. This isn't making sense. What's the deal? But I'll be honest, guys, sometimes there's something where we don't pick it up on the front end, but underwriters do additional research and they may pick something up that could be, as I call it, a loan bomb. So I really like doing that before you go shopping because I don't want to break your heart. It's that simple. I don't want to break your heart. I don't want to waste your money. I don't want to do any of that. So once it goes to underwriting, you're fully pre-approved, then what? I know, and it feels like a gauntlet, but in most cases, everything I'm talking about happens in under a week. Sometimes it goes to 10 days, but generally it's in under a week as long as you give us our documents that we ask for. Your documents, there are documents once we get them, fast. So once you're fully underwritten, then you're going to have a chat with whatever loan officer on my team you're working with, whether that's Jen, Sam, Linda. They're going to go through closing costs. They're also going to go through, can you go higher? Can you go lower? One of the big things that people misunderstand about mortgage underwriting or mortgage pre-approval letters is people go, oh, I was pre-approved for 600. This is my max. No, no, we don't do that. We don't max qualify. Max qualifying is the recipe to poverty. I refuse to do it. I want to know where you're comfortable with payment. I want to know what you're thinking you need to spend. I'm going to underwrite you based on that. And then after we go through underwriting, that's a conversation about, okay, if I go higher, what's my debt to income? If I go lower, is the payment more comfortable? And then we can tweak that pre-approval. Okay. And people don't know that, but you really do. So if you're approved for, let's say 600, could you go to 610? Yeah, possibly. You know, it depends on what your debt to income is. And my team will talk to you about that. It's not like a big mystery where you're like, can I? And they're like, yes, no. You can be like, well, what's my debt to income? What do you think? Blah, blah, blah. What's the payment? All of it. We want that conversation. It's so important. You need to know what your payment's going to look like. You need to know taxes and insurance are a variable. You need that education so that you can make a good decision with your money and your future. Because that's the thing. A housing payment's your future. You need to be comfortable. And you're like, well, Jen, do I get to talk to you? Yeah, if you want to, totally. Look, there's some clients where they're like, Linda, they're like, she's so amazing, I don't even need Beeston, right? And there's some that are like, Linda's so amazing, I don't need Beeston, but I'll talk to her. I've watched her for a few years. I want to see if she's a real person. She could be AI by now, who knows? I'm just showing you my fingers because I know AI can't do fingers yet. Anyways, but then there's some people that are like, no, I want to talk to Beeston. My calls are different. So I don't go over closing costs or down payments. The girls have already done that. What I do is we look at houses. We go through, hey, look for this, like turn your eyes on, think about this. This is what Google Maps is. We do investigative, but then we also have some calls like I'll have someone who's trying to figure out where they really want to buy or if it makes sense to buy. I love those conversations. Like I'm here for the dreams, the goals, the fears. Think of me as your emotional, I'm your emotional support. I don't want to say animal. I'm your emotional support Beeston. That's right. I'm your emotional support Beeston, but I'm also going to be really honest. You know, that's the thing about lending that I think gets lost, and also home buying is it's so transactional. You know, sometimes you'll see real estate agents where they're like, closed, you know, and the lenders are like, I just want to close you. I don't. I want you to accomplish your goal. I want you to be happy. My whole team wants the same thing. And I'm telling you right now, we're never going to push you into a situation just to close a deal. Ever. And that's what sometimes these conversations are about. Like we may have you pre-approved, but you financially may not be there. You know, you may go, hey, Jen, this is great, but this is what's going on with my spending, because we don't analyze your spending for most loan types. So I'm there for those really I'm there for those conversations, okay? But the basic numbers, payments, debt to income, the team has got you on that. And if you're like, well, are they good or are they just assistants? Let me give you an example. Jen Anderson has been a loan officer for 30 years. Christina's been a loan officer for 32 years. Linda's been a loan officer for 13 years. The newest one on the team is Amber, who's been a loan officer for 2 years. But when you talk to her, you will be like, oh my goodness, she's going to be one of the greats. She is. You know, Sam started with me after college. She's at 9 years now, I think. So here's the deal. I have built an amazing team to support you. You will have all of your questions answered. When you start shopping, you will have the strongest letter in the industry. You will be shopping with power and confidence. And if you're like, oh, I don't even know how to pick a realtor, we'll help. We'll help. We don't take any kickbacks from real estate agents. We're not like these companies that you're seeing get sued right now because of that. Look it up, it's gross. No, we look for the best agents in the market who are going to take care of you. In many markets, we already have our favorites. Like we love Sahar in Houston, Texas. We love Michelle in Dallas, Texas. We love Shelby and Doreen in South Carolina. We love Heather in New Jersey. You know, we have a lot of loves throughout the country of great real estate agents. But if you're struggling, we're happy to help. And if you found a couple and you're like, hey, can you do a little digging? Wendy on my team is a real estate agent investigator. That's right. She looks at their numbers. She looks for reviews. We look for all the data and dirt we can get so we can give it to you so you can make a good decision. So I know I tripped over my words a little bit during this one, but look, this is something I'm really passionate about, and it comes from two places. Number one, the American dream should be accessible to everyone. And knowing what I know about lending, I know how easy it is to actually buy a house once you know the path, once you know how. You don't have to be rich. You don't have to have a perfect salary job. And yes, you can be successful as a homeowner even if you're not perfect, right? Because people worry about that. So number one, I'm excited about this because I think the American dream is something you can accomplish. And you may be like, Jen, you don't know me. Guys, I've had clients that have watched my videos and they didn't have a job, they had terrible credit, and they had no money. Did I get them a house with that happening? No, but they watched the videos and within a couple years they called me. They had a job, they had money, and they cleaned up their credit. I believe. And sometimes my belief is so strong, it's gonna make you believe, and then it's gonna happen. And number two, I'm very passionate about our pre-approval process because I'm so anxious, guys, about certain things, and home buying is one of them. So I really wanted to make sure that I was delivering something that would make me happy as a buyer. And here's the messed up part. I can't use my team when I buy a house. I know. It's so unfortunate because I totally would use my team and I would sleep like a baby. But when you're a lender, you can't use your own team. So everything's been built to make your life easy. Anyways, I will stop, but call us, seriously. Get on the calendar. We're here to help. Whether you end up working with us ultimately or not, like, we're here for you. 786-933-2077. Thanks for watching.